Nice work, understanding the praise. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, nice work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, when to use it, and how it can make someone's day better. The phrase, nice work, is made of two words, nice and work. 1. Nice. It's an adjective that describes something as pleasant, good, or of a satisfactory quality. 2. Work. In this context, it's a noun that refers to the effort or task someone has done. When combined, nice work is a positive expression used to praise someone's effort or the result of their task. You can use nice work in various situations. 1. At school or college, teachers might say this to students after checking their assignments or projects. 2. In the workplace, after a colleague completes a challenging task or project. 3. In daily life, to appreciate someone's efforts in activities like cooking, fixing something, or even finishing a puzzle. It's a versatile phrase suitable for many scenarios. Though nice work is straightforward, English speakers sometimes use variations to convey the same sentiment. Here are a few. 1. Great job. 2. Well done. 3. Excellent effort. These phrases carry the same positive and appreciative tone as nice work. Nice work is a short yet impactful phrase to appreciate and acknowledge someone's effort or accomplishment. Using it can boost morale and strengthen relationships. So, the next time you see someone doing something praiseworthy, don't hesitate to say, nice work. Until next time, keep learning and expressing.